Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
So the next design property that we are going to discuss after transform is text stroke, and what it does is it is basically used to highlight the important headings on your page as it adds an outline to it. You can see right over here on this example that this heading basically has a black colored outline to it. Okay, this heading is basically more eye-catchy than what we have over here. You can see the clear difference. Okay, now before we dive deeper into this, before we take a deeper look into this, it is important to know that text stroke is right now missing from the animated headline. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna add animated headline to this right over here. I'm going to go to style, click headline, and you will see the text stroke is missing. Okay, now I'm going to delete it. Okay, now you can find basically text stroke under the style, and there you see this property right over here. Now it is important to know that the animated headline widget is available for pro users, and if you have the pro license, then you will also have access to the site title, the post title, and the page title. Now text stroke widget is available for these widgets as well, or these elements as well. However, again, it is missing in animated headline as of now. Okay, so just for informational purposes, Elementor 3.6 is out. This video is very delayed. Okay, so text stroke is available in animated headlines in 3.6. So I will be doing a video on that as well. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. We are pretty much delayed on these videos. After I'm done with Elementor Pro 3.5, then everything will be on point and on time. Okay, so bear with me for a little while. Okay, so this is what is basically text stroke. So how I have created this example, let me show you what I've done here. So what I have done here is I have set the text color to nothing. Okay, then what I have done is I have added a text stroke which is black for 1 pixel. You can see it right over here. And then what I've done is I've set the text shadow color to something yellow, blur is set to 2, horizontal is set to 0, and vertical is set to 2. So this is basically what I've done with this example. It is pretty simple. You just have to try a few things out and you will get the hang of this. Transform is much more advanced than what is text stroke. Okay, so make sure you try these properties out in your next designs. You will surely love them.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.